A word of advice for those who want to use Azure uh, for their applications to host. Uh, this is just a word of advice. It's nothing against Microsoft or Azure. I love Azure, but still, it's a word of advice. So let's suppose you sign up for Azure, you create a Microsoft account and they give you some free credit with MSDN subscription for a couple of credit dollars or months, and you slowly start building up on that, right? And then you create a database, and then you create an app service, and then you create a storage account, and then you write some code, and then you buy a domain, and then you make your website and web application or API, and you start using it, and it works fine, and you keep on changing it. Comes a stage one day within 8, 9, 10 months that your website will stop, your application will stop working, and you will start getting error 403 that your application has been stopped. You go, you find out, number one, the error message is not very intuitive, and then you figure it out that your application is being disabled under the MSDN subscription account. Along with that, when you were doing that, you find out that the credit which are given to you with an MSDN subscription account are not enough. So you say, you add your credit card and you say, charge me as well. So you pay $20 from your credit card, and some money is being used, credits are being used from your free account, and you are good for a year. And you slowly start building your app pools, and you start building small apps, and you kind of develop your portfolio, and you feel very comfortable that, okay, I have my build and release process, and I make changes and I move code up there, and the things start working. One day it becomes disabled, and the moment it becomes disabled, it becomes a pain in the neck. You don't have the option to upgrade it. You don't have the option to fix it. You have to call Microsoft support. They don't have any telephone number, so you have to create a ticket. You are frustrated, and then they will come and you say that I want to upgrade it to pay as you go account, and the ticket will be responded within 2-3 days, and then they will tell you, like in my case, that it will take 3 to 5 business days to move your account from that MSDN subscription to pay as you go. So my word of advice is that do not apply those credits towards your account. The moment you start building an app and plan to deploy it, go for pay as you go. Don't use MSDN account, otherwise for 8 to 10 days you are being doomed. Thank you.